click clack. And the ting that's there, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now you've just heard the start up of my EP3 Type R. It's finally ready. So what I'm going to do in this video, we're going to do like a first drive, first impressions of it coming out after 6 months from the garage, I'll be honest with you. And I'm going to go around the car and talk to you about how much money I've spent and what exactly I've done with the car. So what I'll do is I'll just get straight into it. No cinematic. I'll walk around the car and you can see it. So obviously we bought the car as a project from our auction website, and it came, the first time we turned it on it was fine. After that we went back to the car 2 weeks later to obviously start work on it, and the bottom end was knocking. So straight away we knew that it's a new full engine, so we went and bought a new engine. We put a new engine into the car, turned it on, were about to take it for a drive, and the gearbox was kind of finished. So what we went and did is we went and got a gearbox as well. So we put an engine and a gearbox. Whilst we've opened the engine and the gearbox, we thought we might as well put a clutch in it, because we're spending money anyway, so let's spend more money. So we put an engine, a gearbox, a brand new clutch, we put braided lines, master slave cylinder was completely finished as well, so we put a new one of them in. I got two new front headlights. The front bumper was a bit knackered as well, so we went and got a front bumper for it. If you walk around the car with me, obviously the alloys are not perfect. The car does need a good wash. Obviously the door has got a few dents on it, that will obviously need changing. Put new rear discs and pads. We also got a custom exhaust, which, let me turn the car on so you can listen to that. Wait till we drive it. That's absolutely amazing. Obviously the tailgate has got a dent, which that will need changing at some point. Obviously this door will need changing as well. But besides that, and a lot of money that I spent on the car is now running fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump in, we're going to take it for a drive, and it's all smiles, let me tell you that. So let's go. Right, so obviously we're on the drive, and straight away the first thing you notice is the noise, the vibration as well. There's a lot of vibration going through the cockpit. I think that might be down to the exhaust. It's a custom exhaust. Again, we had a few problems with that as well. We had to order like 3-4 different gaskets just to get it to sit and fit right. So it has been a bit of a nightmare with this car in terms of getting parts, getting the right parts, sourcing the parts. But I did say to you that it makes me smile, and just listen to this. Does that not sound epic? It's absolutely brilliant. You're not meant to really hammer it in first gear, but it sounds absolutely brilliant in first, second and third. And especially at the top end when you're hitting VTEC. Obviously I've not got an induction kit in this car, it's completely stock, but there will be an induction kit going in at some point. It sounds amazing. So imagine when the induction kit goes in and it kicks VTEC, just at that point when that scream comes in, it's gonna completely transform the way this car sounds. I'll give you another pull. Just open the window. Most of the issues I've had with this car have been engine related, but I will say that alhamdulillah the car actually drives 10/10 now, and I want to say a big thank you to the garage that sorted everything out for me. So it went to somebody else at the beginning, and he did half a job. I'm going to be completely honest with you. There was a lot of wiring room left and a lot of sensors missing. So then he went to somebody else and they finished the job for me. This is the result. I absolutely love the way it sounds, and putting the sound to a side, after spending so much money, you want the car to drive perfectly. Obviously, like I said, there's a few little bits that need to be done, but the car drives really well, and I am absolutely grateful to the people behind it that have made this car what it is today. Right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up there. That was like the first impressions of a very loud EP3 Type R. The previous clip you seen me going through the gears, it's always a gamble when you buy a gearbox. You never know, you're taking the seller's word for it, but the gearbox is working perfectly. Obviously I've been driving it, you know, dropping gears, and there's no crunches, all the gears are fine. So overall I'm actually really happy with how the car is after spending a lot of money on it. I should be happy, shouldn't I? No more sleepless nights. There's a few other bits that do need to be done in the car, interior wise. Like I said, there's a lot of vibration coming, so we're gonna get to the bottom of that as well. There's a lot more coming on this EP3 Type R. Obviously it's a project, there's a lot of things I've got in the pipeline. I've already mentioned one of them, which is an induction kit, so stay tuned to that video. We'll do a how-to. Obviously I've already got a Teguo induction kit in my black one. I'm gonna go for something different this time. But yeah, besides that, I want to say thank you for watching. You guys have supported me really well, so I really appreciate that. Even on the last video, which was the mini review, it's had a massive following, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you on the next video.